I used a timeline slicer to summarize data across selected time intervals. Another way to perform such an analysis is by drilling down into data, which means going from a general overview of all of the data values to a more specific view with finer and finer detail. Date fields are often used for drilling down because the data can be viewed at ever smaller time intervals, from yearly summaries down to reports covering spans of days or even hours. In this section, I want to create a second pivot table in which I can track product sales by date with date interval displayed in the pivot table row and the product detail displayed as the pivot table column. I will add this pivot table in the new worksheet and then drill down into the data. Click on this button to create new sheet. Active this cell. Click Insert tab. In Tables group, click Pivot Table button. Make sure these two options are checked. Click OK. In the Pivot Table Fields pane, expand the Products Purchase table field. Drag item quantity in the Values box. Then expand the Products Detail table field. Drag item type field in the columns box. I have added more two fields in the customer order detail table. Order month and order year fields. Drag order year field in the rows box. Drag order month field in the rows box. Drag order date field in the rows box. Click on Collapse Outline icon. The rows area now contains three fields, the two new fields and the order date field, arranged in order from the most general down to the most specific. Finally, the order year field. Finally, the order year in the pivot table row are displayed in outline view so I can view totals for individual years, months and dates. Click the Expand Outline icon. It shows the sales for each of the 12 months in that year. Click this Expand Outline icon next to the April label to drill the outline down to the individual April dates. The company sold only 7 and 3 products in these two dates. Click on this Expand Outline icon. The company sold 11 and 5 items on these two dates. In this way, drilling down into data analysis is performed.